Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I am super excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called QTlier. This is a 3-in-1 MagSafe compatible fast wireless charging station, and this is very unique. This isn't like some of the other charging stations you have seen. I'll explain why in just a minute. First, let's just talk about what you can do with this and what it's for. It is a wireless charging station, 3-in-1, MagSafe compatible. So you've got a MagSafe compatible charger here. This will get you 15-watt fast charging on your iPhone. Then you've got your Apple Watch charger. Again, magnetic Apple Watch charger here to charge your Apple Watch. Then down here, and this is what's really cool and unique compared to some other charging stations, is yes, you can throw your AirPods on here, you can throw your Galaxy Buds or any earbuds that support wireless charging, you can throw them on here. But not just buds. This is a nice large space. You can charge an iPhone on this, or any phone, and any Android phone, any phone that is capable of wireless charging, you can throw on here. Also, 15 watts charger down here at the base. That's just really awesome that you have two 15-watt chargers on this device. So you can use it not only for earbuds, but also to charge another phone. I love this. I have this in my guest room because when guests stay with me, I don't know if they're going to have an iPhone or an Android phone. I don't know what they're going to have. With this, they're covered either way. They can charge their iPhone on here. If they have AirPods or earbuds, they can charge them here. If they have an Android phone or an older iPhone, they can also charge it here with this wireless charging pad and get 15 watts charging. So really, really awesome design and great product. Let me tell you about some of the other features. What comes in the box? Well, in the box, you get the charger itself, but you also get a 30-watt charger because you need a 30-watt charger in order to get the full charging power of this. You can't use just any charger, so they include that in the box, a 30-watt charger and a 4-foot cord, and that's great because sometimes they come in to give you the short little cord that won't reach. They give you a 4-foot cord, so you're able to get the power from the power source to this device without any issues at all. And it works great. Plenty of room on here to put your phone on this MagSafe charger, your iPhone, in either horizontal or vertical mode. So if you like using the new Apple standby mode where it turns your phone into like a smart display, you can use that on this. You can put it in horizontal or vertical and you still have plenty of room for your Apple Watch as well as a phone or earbuds down here. So it works great for that. So this could be great to also use at an office or as your nightstand bedside charger because you could be charging your AirPods or other earbuds down here as well as still charging your iPhone and have it in that cool standby mode and charging your Apple Watch all at the same time. A couple of other quick features. This base, it's a weighted base. It's plastic on the top, but you can see nice metal on the bottom and it's weighted so that it's not going to slide around really easy. It also has nice rubber feet on the bottom. So when you put this on your desk, at work, on your nightstand, and you're pulling your phone off of it and stuff, it's going to stay put. It's not going to slide around. That is really great. Really cool pattern here on the bottom to give it a really cool look. Nice little spherical pattern. And then a tiny little LED. Very tiny. And I love that because it's easy to see with the naked eye, and it gives you an indication that things are charging. But even in a completely black room with no other lights, this isn't going to be annoying because it's a tiny LED. It's very, very just easy to see with your eyes, but not bright, so it's not going to disturb you if you're using this, especially beside your bed at night. So really, really excellent design by QTlier. Again, it comes in black or white, so you can use the color that works best for you and your decor, your personal taste, and everything you would possibly want in a charger. It's beautifully designed. It looks great. Nice, sleek design. The fact that you can charge your iPhone, MagSafe iPhone here, your Apple Watch here, and not just earbuds or AirPods, but also any phone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android phone that supports wireless charging. You can get 15 watts charging on this bottom pad as well. Just makes this an excellent device and one of the coolest and most feature-rich 3-in-1 wireless MagSafe compatible charging stations I've ever seen. So if you're looking for a charging station for your Apple devices, especially if you have a MagSafe phone, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.